Hi guys, and welcome back to a brand new house to home video. Today is February 11th and we're doing a couple of things to prep for the garden this year. So today's video is going to be more of like a garden type of video. I'm starting some seeds, and then Quentin is actually prepping the backyard for new seed. I think in one house to home video last year we had beautiful green grass, but over that summer it completely died. There was like some kind of weird fungus, so Quentin's trying to figure that out. He's the grass man, I am the landscaper woman, so that's what we're doing today. Let me show you. I have a lot of stuff. Also, just an update, finished painting the hallway. I don't know if I ever showed you, but it wasn't finished, so we just need to touch it up a little bit, and we're gonna replace this light eventually. Try to walk away and I stop now. So I'm starting a lot of herbs today. I have quite a bit of herbs in the garden already. I have like rosemary, oregano, but basil, annual, like basils are annual. I don't have any peppermint, I don't have any thyme, but I have my tomatoes. So I have yellow pear, Roma, black cran, and whole tomatoes. Then I have a lot of peppers, and I want to grow 2 of each pepper. So I'm gonna start 3 seeds of each pepper as a backup just in case. So I have pepperoncini. These did not grow for me last year. I don't know what happened. I have big Thai hybrid, same. They started growing and then they fizzled out. Jalapeno early, giant bell peppers, habaneros, and poblano's. I have Copenhagen market cabbage, and then a list of herbs. So these are the herbs I would like to grow. I have peppermint, lemon basil, thyme, sage, sweet basil, dark basil. I actually wanted to grow the dark basil in a pot, for like a cut flower, and it will also smell good. Lemon balm and cilantro. So I already know how many of each tomato and pepper I want. So this makes it super easy. And it's so important to actually pay attention to your seed packet. They all have different requirements and different spacing. So my Roma tomatoes, I can plant 1 tomato in 1 24-inch container. All right, next is the black creme tomato, which is a new tomato for me. These are a Russian hybrid. Sweet flavor, dark maroon, and it's indeterminate. So I am only going to want to grow 1 of these because indeterminate tomatoes will grow like cray. So I'm going to only plant 1 in each cell. The yellow tomatoes took off for me like so well, but I kind of cheated and I grew 3 in a small area and they did just fine. So I'm hoping to do something similar this year. And then I have some pole cherry tomatoes. All of the tomatoes are good to go. And now it is time for peppers. Bell mixed colors peppers. Okay, now that all of these are filled up, I'm gonna spray them. I already have my heating mat on, so I'm just gonna pop these right on top of the heating mat. The ones that have already germinated, I am not putting them on the heating mat, so I'm just moving those a little bit over so it's not so warm on the bottom for them. So I have all of the peppers and herbs in here nice and ready. And between 7 and 21 days, I should have some germination, just depending on all of the seeds. So in a week, I'll come back and check to see what has germinated. I won't remove this top until mostly everything germinated. Hi friends, and happy Sunday. Today is the 6th, and I am gonna do lots of gardening today, so I wanted to bring you out with me. I don't know how long this video is or what I am sharing in this video, but I think the last time I filmed, I was probably starting some seeds. Pretty sure I potted these with you guys on camera, so you can see the growth, but the tomatoes are doing so well. And because they do have their first set of true leaves, I'm ready to pot them up and fertilize them. I know that they're gonna be so happy. Because we have a little bit of time left before, oh, something scared me. Because I know that we have a little bit of time left before it is time to pot them outside, like we're gonna get a cold snap. And my average last frost date is the first week of April. So I have a full month before I need to put these out. I definitely don't want to put them out too early because as soon as the temperatures drop, they are gonna die, and it's supposed to be a low of 23 or 24 is gonna be really low. We're getting a week of rain. So these are left over from plants that I just picked up from the store. I can't remember what annuals I had in here, but just probably like pansies or something. But I reused them because they are perfect to reuse. All right, the tomatoes are all potted up. They are nice and ready to go. I'm gonna stick them in a little container so they can soak, and I'm gonna squirt this in the water while they're soaking. I'm gonna wait to do that until I finish potting up everything that I wanna pot up first. But yeah, they're all nice and ready to go. Okay, now I'm about to go outside and start gardening. I have to put some mulch around the garden bed. But yesterday I went ahead and I added some new soil to this garden bed, and I also fertilized and sprayed all of this one for bugs. As you can see, this one's lime green compared to the other dark green ones. So I'm thinking this one's chlorosis, so I might need to replace that one, 2 down there. And I'm also missing one down there where I have that bag of soil. So I just want to trench and get this as good as possible. I might add a little bit more soil, but I'll see what it looks like after I trench.